Okay, there we go. Not as loud now. So I don't know if they are even have some crystals. You don't know what they are, but I'll grab them. My first item is the sauce. I just have to know your academia. So yeah, so know your academia. Well, they are. They're size 7 to 11. Don't know if I think they fit me. Yeah, but they cost $1. They're cheap. Not gonna lie. Let's go put them. Okay, next item. Poster. I'm gonna open this later. The number for this poster is 48. I got it from Little Games in the Valley. It's only cost $15. So this one's the green one with the heroes and stuff. So yeah, I'm going to do some faces and plastic. Let's go put on for next item. Next one. Okay. I have to think about 2. Okay, so this is Infinity Deku with Aerie. There's Infinity Deku with Aerie Jumbo. I want that. This one's where Deku says Aerie. Apparently, this one here. This one here is Deku. Where is that $10? Cheap. Is there? Yeah. I like that money for some. That's I'm going to stop Deku. Very sharpened. Well, this is easy enough. I did nothing. So yeah, love it. Aerie, I've already got Aerie. So there's it. Aerie can stand on her own if you want to use the stand. See, she has a little foothold. This is a stand. See, Deku doesn't have one, so you can stand on it. You can leave Aerie without it. So, Aerie is so tiny. Oh my god. Aerie is so tiny. Look at this is the way it's done. There's a jumbo that's it's very little darky. Take your time. So yeah, $80. This is also a special edition.
Get Jack's fried chicken and pork belly hunger tangers at Hungry Jack's.
Okay.
Looking for a room on Flatmate online? Search flatmates.com.au for real rooms and real
Well,
people.
that was easy. Well, yeah, never mind that. I have music going. Okay. So, look. This is the power. This one has nothing in it. Look. Listen. Nothing. Nothing. Something. I don't know what it was. Something in her. If anyone, can someone go get Airy? This one, not the outfit one. But there's something in her. It's like a little rattling sound. Okay, I don't know what that is. So this is her stand. So yeah, $84 I suppose, cause that's 24. Yeah, don't know what I did. I spent tons of money on tons of stuff. Yeah, so that's about it. So yeah. What else should I get? If you have any suggestions that I should get from EB Game or order it, because my gaming chair is coming in. It's not that cute, but it's pink. Anyways, you can't get this one. With you, it's Sonic. You sure you can't get that anymore? But if you have any suggestions of what Funko Pop I should get next to add to my collection, I'll be happy to go get it. So, what should I get for my new Funko Pop collection? I'll only buy one and I'll give you a shout out down here. Yeah, I'll do it with my edit, but I'll put it in my, what's it called? Yeah, it will be in, the name of the video. I'll put your thing there, and your comment, and I could get that order for you. And now, add it to my collection.